Great work starts with devices that are powered up and ready to go. Setting up and managing devices can take time, especially when adapters get in the way. Speed up and simplify your workflow. Meet Opti-Sense, the only USB-C smart hub that powers up to 42 devices at once. Fast, efficient, and optimized for today's always-on environments. It features the only cables with built-in LEDs to show the charging status. Opti-Sense provides optimal charging for each individual device, ensuring the quickest speed. It delivers up to 40% more power than other systems, and it's easy to use, with cables conveniently placed and simple to view. The next generation of USB-C products will be powered by Opti-Sense. Opti-Sense. Always powered, always ready. Schedule a demo with Bretford or connect with a reseller to learn more.